Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny and today I'm going to be doing a contact lens review. Now I've done a few contact lens review in the past of other brands and I will have those linked down below, but today I'm going to do one with Olens and I'm going to review their Blackpink contacts. I'm so excited because I love Blackpink and I love their music, and if you don't know, Blackpink is a K-pop group in Korea and it's just a group of 4 girls: Jennie, Chaeyoung, Lisa, and Jisoo. So I really like all of them and I just love their music. And yeah, I saw them at Coachella this year, which I was really excited about. And when Olens reached out to me to try their contacts, I was so excited because I do have a corrective vision, so it can get a bit expensive with purchasing contacts. So I want to show you guys what they look like on me and hopefully you guys will like them and pick some out. I think I do have a coupon code as well, so I will have that linked down below if you guys are interested. And without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what they look like. This is what the Spanish lens look in the case. It just looks like a yellow ring and it's just that simple. It's just a yellow ring for the Spanish brown. So the first pair that I have on right now is Spanish brown, and this one is the contacts that Jennie is wearing in this photo here. I think that's the Kill This Love music video. So you can see that they look fairly natural. And this is what they look like from afar. They just look like so nice and natural. They fit like inside my eyes perfectly, so I really like that. And let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna try on natural brown. To remove my contacts, I prefer the tweezers in the TTDI contact lens case because it has like rubber on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but so if you can see, it has like rubber tips on it, so it's easier to pinch the lashes and get them out of your eye. If you guys don't have corrective vision, you don't have to worry about whether you have them in the correct spot. So this is my natural eye and this is with the contacts. So in this eye I have natural brown and in this one I have the Spanish brown. So you guys can see the difference. This is natural and Spanish. So you can see the natural lens is a little bit bigger in diameter, and I don't know the exact diameter. I would assume the diameter is 14.0, which is the standard. So yes. So that's what they look like. Spanish and natural. So I'm going to put both of the naturals together. So this is what I look like without a contact and then with the natural brown, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the natural brown in my other eye. So this is what they look like. And this one is by the brand Island. So this is what the natural brown contacts will come in. And then in the case, it looks like so. So this is what it looks like in the case for the natural brown. It has kind of a gray outer ring, and then in the middle it's a really light brown. We're gonna try Island Gray. This is what Island Gray looks like in the package. This is Gray by Island. I think this might be natural gray, to be honest. I'm so confused with the names, but I will leave them on the screen. I'll figure it out and I'll leave it on the screen so you guys can see that. But this is natural gray and this is the Spanish brown. So I don't know if you can actually see it like properly, because I know the ring light is kind of like in the way, but you can see it looks kind of blue on me. I don't know why. Yeah, so it looks kind of blue. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the other lens. So these are how the gray contacts look on me. I actually really like them. I never thought that I would look good with gray contacts, but I really like them. So that's what they look like from afar, and then up close they look kind of blue on me. I don't know why. I know my under eyes are like dry. I used a different concealer today, so I don't mind that. But These are what the gray contacts look like. I really like them. And then from afar, I think like people will probably do like a double take with you if you wear these. They're really pretty. Like, I really like them. Okay, so the pair that I have on right now is the they're just island gray. They don't really say anything else on them. It just says gray, island gray. So I don't know like what to do with that information, but I'm gonna go ahead and try on the coral gray. This one looks really pretty. It looks a little bit intimidating, to be honest, but I want to put one in one eye just so you guys can compare the different gray colors. So I'm gonna put this one in. These are so pretty and they look like so like HD. So I want to show you guys what they look like. I don't like using the tool to put it in my eye, but I do like using the tool to take it out because it's just really helpful and you don't have to put your hands in your eye. My eye is getting a little irritated. It looks a little pink, but that's okay. So in this eye I have the cobalt gray. In this eye I have the gray, island gray. So I don't know if you guys can see a difference. I definitely can. This one looks a little bit darker than this one. And this one is a little bit big for my eye, if you can see that on the outside. That's the difference. Now I'm going to put the other gray one in my eye. I don't think I showed you guys what it looked like in the packaging, but let me try and do this. So this is what cobalt gray looks in the packaging. It has a little bit of the yellow on the center and then like a gray on the outside. And yeah, still really pretty. So this one definitely makes your eye look bigger and this one does not. It kind of just has the same shape as, or the same width and everything as my eye. So I think that's okay. I'll put the other one in just so you guys can see the difference. Because these lenses are a little bit bigger, it does take a little bit more time for me to get used to them because they're just, like I said, a little bit bigger for my eye. So I do have to get used to them and it takes me about like a day or two to really feel them out. So this is what they look like. They're pretty dark. I don't necessarily like these more than the others. I actually think I like the island gray better because I feel like that one looks a little bit more of a difference and this one looks more of like a turquoise on my eye. It doesn't look gray per se. It looks more of like a turquoise and I don't really like that about it. So I would go with the island gray if you guys have like my similar skin tone and everything, because I think it just looks better and it pops more. Now I'm gonna try on the Spanish gray. This one is just in the color Real Gray. So I'll put the Spanish one in here and then I'll keep the cobalt. I'm so confused. So I really like the Spanish line because I feel like they all look fairly natural. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I have really sensitive eyes. So like if I keep taking stuff out and putting it back in, it will get irritated, which is what it's doing right now. That's why it's kind of red. So I have the Spanish gray in here and then I have the coral gray in here. And I much prefer the Spanish lens just because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. It's not as big, although I do like circle lens, but I feel like if you're doing colored, I think just stick with the diameter of your eye and it'll look as natural as it possibly could be. So I'll zoom in so you guys can see the difference. You can see how this one is a lot more, it's a lot bigger and I just feel like the color doesn't really complement my skin as opposed to this one where it looks a little bit better with like my face and everything. So it just looks a little bit more natural. So I'll put the other one in this eye. These are what the Spanish gray lens look like on me. I think they look really good. Okay, the next pair I have is Symphony 3 Con Green, and this is by the Symphony line. I don't have any other contacts besides these green ones in this line, so I want to see how comfortable they are. So far, all of them are really comfortable. They don't feel irritating or anything, and I hope that this one is nothing less than that. So this is what the green one looks like in the packaging. I still think that it's really cute. It has a darker green on the outside, a lime green in the center, and then it has a yellow in the iris portion of it, like the very center, like the pupil area. I said iris, I meant the pupil. So let's go ahead and try this on. You guys know I like putting the other one, the different one, in this eye, so I'll show you guys. The green one looks like the one that's the most unnatural, so I feel like it might not look the best on me. Oh my god, I look like a cat. Wow. Okay, so well, you're trying to find something to play with. So the green one is obviously in this eye, the gray is in this eye, and this is Spanish gray. Wow, I don't know if I like that at all. It looks a little crazy. Like from far away it looks pretty cool, but when you look up close it's like, what? And it is a bigger contact lens, as you can see. It's bigger than my whole eye. I don't have Russian silver, like I never figured out what that one was. I'll go ahead and put the green one in the other eye so you guys can see, because right now I look a little crazy. So now that I have both of the green lens in my eye, I don't think it looks as bad. So if you guys are seeing from far away, I can put the brightness up just a little bit. From far away, it doesn't look bad at all, actually. I actually kind of like it now, but in person, it definitely looks a little crazy, but it looks kind of natural. Like, it's weird. Like, it looks like contacts, but it looks subtle and natural. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it looks like it can be someone's eye. Like, if I was mixed with white or something, like it could be, but I am pretty tan, so it will look a bit like, you know, crazy. Yeah, I do really like them though. I think they're pretty. Let me go closer. So that's what they look like. I did the brightness lower just so you guys can see them in natural lighting, but this one deserved like full lighting. So that's what that one looks like. And then I think those are all of them. I only have this cobalt one left, but I honestly don't really like it. These are not my favorite pair because they're just blue, and I don't really like super blue contacts. But these are what those look like in the packaging. Yeah, I think if you want something more natural, just stick with all the other ones aside from the coral gray. This one can look natural as well, so I do really like that. So that is all that I have for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this was helpful for you. Sorry for not trying on the last one. I just honestly, I don't even think I'm going to be wearing them because I don't really like them too much. But this one I really love, and I also love all the other ones that I got aside from the coral gray. I think the natural brown ones are really nice, and also the Spanish brown. I think those are my two favorites out of all of them because I just prefer brown contacts. I don't really like anything other than brown, and I think that it still looks really great in photos, and I think that it just really makes your eye pop. So that's just my favorite, but obviously I do like the grays as well. I thought the grays were really nice. I was quite surprised because I didn't think that I would like them, but yeah. And I love that they come in these clear cases so you can see the color of them, because sometimes I'll open up contacts and I'm like, okay, this is not the one that I wanted, and you have to like change out the solution, and it's just a waste of time. So yeah, I love that they come with the clear contacts. I wish that they would add more if you're purchasing the contacts. Like, I wish that they gave one for each like packet so you could reuse them, even though I think you're only supposed to use them for like 3 months. So yeah, you can recycle these as well. And I just want to show you guys my favorite again, just so you guys can see what they look like. So on top is the island brown, at the bottom is the Spanish brown. So these are definitely two of my favorites. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put island brown back on because I like that one. I think Spanish brown was also really pretty, so I don't know, I may put one of them on, but I really like the clear contact case. I'm gonna look for some more on AliExpress just to see if they have them, because I didn't know that those existed, and they're like my favorite. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more contact lens review, and also let Olens know that I sent you guys, just so maybe I can work with them again. I really loved making this video. I do think that it's time consuming, but I think that it's really helpful because I always look for videos like this. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!